the five-stage model, a framework. With today's available technology, it's only logical to transmit the learning material in a better structured manner. Professor Julie Salmon has that structure well set up. She calls it the five-stage model. Her framework of scaffolding provides that support to students in online and blended learning as they build up expertise on learning and working together. It also helps teachers plan the activities in each stage. Well, Stage 1. In Stage 1, participants need good access to the selected platform and a purposeful reason to take part in it. This will motivate them to keep coming back and spend time and effort in their learning. Stage 2. Once inside the chosen platform, in Stage 2, students will establish their individual identity to then find other peers with whom to learn and work. The teacher must provide the opportunities for this to take place. This will occur with a well-planned idea in which collaborative work will take place as the class advances. Stage 3. In Stage 3, students will feel identified with the initial work performed and will engage in multi-exchange of information and contributions to the course. As a teacher, plan the activities to provide interaction between the groups. Cooperation among peers is a vital goal. Stage 4. Team-oriented activities sprout in Stage 4. This is the knowledge construction stage. Team goals must be encouraged as students will be ready for the challenges. From the start, the teacher must scaffold learning through learning, motivation, good access, and teamwork. This will bring, as a result, critical thinking, increased creativity, and evaluating. Stage 5. Now we've reached the top. At this point, participants enjoy working together and teamwork. Responsibility should have been developed among them and towards the work needed. Teachers must promote metacognition activities to encourage independence. Self-assessments and reviews are to be encouraged at this point. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.